There's 4 types of hypersensitivity reactions. Here's an easy way to remember each one. I'm going to start with type 3 because I'm just so excited about it. So, how to remember type 3, this is an antigen-antibody complex. And to know which diseases go in it, just remember this sentence. King Arthur, Peter Pan, and a werewolf. These 3 always fighting makes me sick. P.S. This is type 3. King Arthur should remind you of Arthus, or the Arthus reaction. Following the tetanus vaccine, it's the swelling and inflammation that can happen. Pan in Peter Pan should remind you of Polyarteritis nodosa. And the werewolf should remind you of Lupus, because Lupus in Latin means wolf. Sick should remind you of serum sickness. And then the PS, not only is it telling you it's type 3, it's Post-Streptococcal Glomerulonephritis. So if you can just picture that sentence in your head, you'll never forget which ones are type 3. Type 1 is a fast-acting, immediate type of anaphylaxis. It's antibody-mediated. It can be tested on the skin looking for IgE. So for this first type, think of anything that happens right away. This could be a food allergy or bee sting, or atopic diseases, such as hay fever, rhinitis, asthma. Type 2 is cytotoxic. In this case here, there's an antigen-antibody complex, which activates complement via the classic pathway. This ends with the formation of the membrane attack complex, or MAC. There's a lot of examples of type 2 reactions, but instead of giving you the laundry list now, I'm going to save that till the end, because I think the easiest way to remember is just say, here's what's in type 1, type 3, and type 4. Everything else is type 2. Type 4 hypersensitivity reaction is delayed and does not involve antibodies. Sensitized T cells encounter the antigen, which causes them to release cytokines and then activate macrophages. Because these are T cell mediated, just remember the T's for this disease. Transplant rejections, such as graft versus host disease, TB skin test, and touching, such as contact dermatitis. Also random is multiple sclerosis. Time for a quick recap. Recap. Hypersensitivity is a set of undesirable reactions brought on by the normal immune system, such as allergies. Type 1 is anaphylactic and atopic fast reactions. Type 2 is cytotoxic, antibody-mediated, and it includes everything not previously mentioned. Some type 2s include Bullous pemphigoid, good pasture, Guillain-Barré, myasthenia gravis. Remember the sentence for type 3, which is King Arthur, Peter Pan, and a werewolf. These 3 always fighting makes me sick. P.S. This is type 3. Type 4 is the T's. That's TB skin tests, transfers, touching, such as contact like poison ivy. And then there's the random one, multiple sclerosis. I'm in no way an expert on any of this. I just use this to help me prepare for boards. So if you want to see a video on something else, comment below.